So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the RAM on your Windows laptop is underperforming. Now in order to fix that, there are multiple other fixes. For example, first remove all the unnecessary apps running on the background, and apart from that I'm going to show you a quick fix apart from all that. Now in order to do it, simply press Windows plus RE on your keyboard, and now in the run prompt you need to type this, that is MDSCHED. Now hit OK. Once you do that, you will see this option, that is Windows Memory Diagnostic. Now it says check your computer for memory problems. Once you click on this option of restart now and check for problems, your laptop will restart and scan all the hardware and software issues that are causing your RAM to underperform, and it will give you a guide to fix all of that. Or you can also select this option that says check for problems the next time when I start my computer. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.